Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to see the blocked list on your Snapchat app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, and any of the social media apps, then hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So to see a Snapchat block list, go ahead and open up Snapchat. Next, you want to tap your emoji here at the top left, your bit emoji. Next, you want to tap on settings at the top right. Now you want to scroll down until you see blocked list or blocked users. So it should be under privacy controls. Tap on it. Now once you tap on it, this will show you all the blocked users who you have blocked on Snapchat. So as you can see, I've blocked Team Snapchat. Now to remove someone from a blocked list, you just need to tap on the X and that will be removed from your blocked list. And there you go. That is how to see the blocked list on your Snapchat app. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.